Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you ancient herbal remedy for rapid weight loss or burn fat and detox naturally. If you are such that you have tried all that you can, you have used all the remedies, but you are still the same, you are trying to lose weight, you have done all that you can, you have tried all exercises, but you are the same, and then you want some quick way out. This remedy is a very simple but effective one. It is ancient remedy, and then the ingredients are very simple to use, and then they are also easy to come by. When you go to any nearby market, you can get them. In the previous videos, I've made videos on how to use some herbs to lose weight easily, to burn cholesterol and stuff, but some people are saying that they are not able to get those ingredients. That is why I've taken my time to do this new video whose ingredients are such that they are very easy to come by. So for this particular remedy, all that you are supposed to do is that you get ginger, you get lemon, you get cinnamon, you get honey, and then you get some warm water. So all that you are supposed to do is that the ginger, it can be already grated ginger, or it can be powdered ginger, or it can be raw ginger. And then the lemon, please, lemon is different from the lime. Lime is the small one, and the lemon is the bigger ones. So please, when you go to those people who sell fruits and stuff, you can easily get the lemon. If you have also pure lemon juice, you can use it for this particular remedy. And then also you are supposed to get pure honey that is not mixed with any other thing. And then you are also supposed to get warm water. So you just have to heat some water and then you use it for this particular remedy. So all that you are supposed to do is that if your ginger is already grated, you are just going to use 2 tablespoons. You are just going to put 2 tablespoons into a cup. And then if it is not grated, you can grind it. You can just take one small piece of ginger and grind it. If you cannot also grind, you can just slice it into pieces and then you put it into the cup. But please, we all know that ginger is very dirty, so please kindly ensure that you wash it for about 3 times before you cut into pieces and then use it for this particular remedy. So after cutting the ginger or grating or using the powdered ginger, 2 tablespoons of the powdered ginger or the grated ginger, what you are going to do is that you now take your lemon, you cut into two. The two that you have gotten, you now take just one of it, so half of that, and then you squeeze the juice into the cup. The next thing to do is that you are just going to add half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Please, the teaspoon is the smallest one, so you are going to add half of the teaspoon of the cinnamon powder to it. Please, the cinnamon, you cannot use the stick one, you can just only use the powdered one. And then that one, you just take the teaspoon. Please, the teaspoon, as I said, the smallest one. Then you are just going to take half of that and then add it to the cup. Now, the next thing you are going to do is that you now add 1 cup of the warm water, the water that you have boiled. You add it to it and then you stir very well. So after stirring, what you do is that you now cover it and then you allow it to sit for some time. So when it sits for some time, it will steep. You see that the water will change color. So you are going to leave it for about 5 minutes to steep very well. After steeping, you now take a colander or a sieve to sieve it very well. Now, after sieving, what you do is that you now take the water. Please, you are going to use only the water. So you add 1 teaspoon of pure honey to it. You stir very well and then you drink. So you are going to drink this first thing in the morning and then last thing at night. But if you are at home, you can drink it before you eat in the afternoon. So you can add the afternoon to it. And then you are going to do this for about 2 weeks. Please, when you prepare it, you are not going to leave some and then drink next time. You prepare it and then you take all at once. That is how you are going to do this. So you are going to take it first in the morning and then last thing at night. And then, as I said, in the evenings, you are not going to eat before you drink. You are, but sorry, you are not going to drink before you eat in the evenings. In the evenings, you are supposed to eat, and then later, when you are going to sleep, that is when you take it. But in the afternoon, you are supposed to take it before you eat. You are going to drink this before you eat. And then, as I said, we are going to drink all at once. So please, it is only in the afternoon that you drink the medicine before you eat. And then in the morning too, you take it first in the evening, in the morning when you wake up. That one, you take it and then for about 40 minutes before you eat. But please, if you are an ulcer patient, kindly ensure that you just take just small amount of the ginger, small amount of the lemon, and then small amount of the cinnamon. If you are ulcer patient too and you cannot take this, I've also put link to the other videos that will also make you lose weight in the description of this video. So please kindly ensure that you do that one instead. Or you can also take guava leaf tea. So you can check Amazon or you can click on the link in the description to check Amazon for guava leaves tea, and then you will be taking. Or if you can get raw guava leaves, you can just have to boil about 10 pieces in 1 cup of water, and then you drink first in the morning, then last thing at night for about 2 weeks. And then that one too is going to help you to reduce weight. You are going to take it morning and evening, morning and evening. Then it is going to help you to lose weight. And then as I said, when you do this particular remedy in the morning, the ingredients that you use, you are going to use different ingredients in the evening or in the afternoon. Please don't say that because you sieve it, the ingredients, you are going to add water to it to steep again to drink it next time. No. And then you are not also going to keep some in the fridge and take it later. Kindly ensure that the moment you prepare it, you just drink all. But the lemon, if you use half of it, you can keep the rest in the fridge and then use it for the next remedy that you do. And then also, if you are a nursing mother, kindly ensure that you just take it only once a day. For nursing mothers, kindly ensure that you take it once a day. And then ensure that after taking it, you drink enough water so that you are able to produce enough milk to feed your newborn. Because this remedy, if you take it, it can reduce the milk production in the new nursing mother. So please kindly ensure that you always drink a lot of water after taking this particular remedy. And then also kindly ensure that you continue to do your exercises and other things that you know that will help you to lose weight whilst you are taking this. And then also be fasting from time to time. All those things are going to help you. Sometimes you also have to skip breakfast. In the morning, you have to drink some water for some time and then eat around 11 a.m. All those things are going to help you to lose weight easily. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we shall talk about other things that will also detox your life and then your body spiritually. So there is a detox for your body physically, but we shall also talk about the things that will also detox your life from all evil spirits. There are some people, they will tell you that they are being tormented by evil spirit here and there. So please kindly ensure that you also watch those videos. So please kindly subscribe to the channel for more remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.